In this screencast video lecture, we are going to see about the chordates. Chordates are animals characterized by the presence of notochord at some stage during their development. That is from the embryonic development to adult stage. At some point you can able to see a notochord. The members possess a hollow nerve cord as well as pharyngeal gill cells also. The other general characteristic features of the chordates are they are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and coelomate group of animals with a organ level system of organization. They hold a post-anal tail. The body includes a closed circulatory system. In some members of phylum Chordata, the notochord is present only in the larval tail. Mainly in the members of urochordates as well as cephalochordata, you can able to see the notochord is present in a larval tail. And in some, it is present throughout their life form from head to the tail region. Chordates may have other subdivisions, and protochordates are one of the earliest form of chordate that have been evolved. Now we look at the distinguishing features and their importance with related to the chordate. First one is a notochord. It's a flexible rod-like structure present in embryos and some adults of the chordates. It provides a skeletal support and it can be replaced by vertebral column in the vertebrates. It starts from the embryonic stage of development and continues. The next one is a dorsal hollow nerve cord. So this is the one defined as a tube-like structure located above the notochord. It develops into central nervous system, which in turn houses the brain as well as spinal cord in the vertebrates. Its importance is it plays a major role in coordination, movement as well as sensory perceptions of the organisms. This hollow nerve cord is found in all chordate, but it is solid and ventral in the non-chordates. That is mainly in the arthropods as well as annelids. From the embryonic development, they will be present in the ventral and it will be more solid. The next one is a pharyngeal gill cells. They are opening present in the pharyngeal region, that is in the throat area during the embryonic development. It is used for filter feeding and respiration in the aquatic chordate group of organisms. Their importance is they play a role there in the respiration when they develop into gills in the fishes. Whereas in terrestrial vertebrates, these structures are modified into structures such as eustachian tubes that are present there in the ear as well as tonsils. Next one is a post-anal tail. It is defined as a tail that extends beyond the anus at some stage in the development. It contains muscles as well as the skeletal elements. Its significance is it helps in locomotion in the aquatic species, mainly in the fishes as well as amphibians, whereas it is reduced or absent in some adult chordates. A very classical example is the humans. They are having a vestigial tailbone alone, which is referred by the term coccyx. The next one is the endostyle or the development of a thyroid gland there in the chordate group of organisms. They are mucus secreting gland that is located there in the pharynx region of chordates. They transforms into a thyroid gland in the vertebrate group of organisms. Their significance is they play a role in the iodine metabolism and hormone regulation. Apart from that, they also have role in growth, metabolism and maintaining the homeostasis in the animal. Next, we look at the details of subphyla of phylum Chordata. Urochordata, cephalochordata and vertebrata are the important subphyla. Here, the subphylum Urochordata are also referred as a tunicata, which contains mainly the marine animals. The body of these animals are surrounded by a leathery covering, which is referred by a special term called as a tunicates. The larvae are free swimming. The notochord is present only in the tail of the larva. After settling there in the seabed, the larvae get transformed into sessile adults, that is non-moving adults. They are basically of a hermaphrodites in nature. Examples of the urochordates are tunicates, such as Ascidians, Dolium and Oikopleura. These are all some of the genera that comes under the subphylum Urochordata. The next subphylum is Cephalochordata. They mainly consist of small fish-like marine animals in which the notochord is extended along the entire body. These animals also will be having the pharynx, which have large with numerous gill slits that helps in their respiration. Members of this subphylum are not hermaphrodite in nature. They will have separate sexes. An example is Amphioxus or Lanceolate. The last one is the subphylum Vertebrata. In this subphylum, the notochord is present in the embryonic stages alone, whereas it is replaced by vertebral column in the adults. They are having a 2 or 3 or 4 chambered heart, paired appendages that are used in the locomotion, and separate kidneys for excretion and osmoregulation of the water.